Unraveling the mystery. Pulling a fast one, explained. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English idiom that often puzzles learners, pulling a fast one. This phrase is a colorful part of the English language, used to describe a situation where someone is trying to deceive or trick another person. If you've ever been curious about what this phrase means and how to use it correctly, you're in the right place. Let's unravel this mystery together. The phrase, pulling a fast one, refers to the act of deceiving someone in a clever or sneaky way. It's often used when someone does something underhanded to gain an advantage or to get out of a difficult situation. The fast one, in this context, is not about speed but rather about being sly or cunning. While the exact origin of pulling a fast one is a bit murky, it's widely believed to have emerged in the early 20th century. It reflects the idea of someone acting quickly in a deceptive way to outsmart someone else. This phrase has been a staple in English-speaking cultures, capturing the essence of trickery with a hint of light-heartedness. To fully grasp the meaning, let's look at a few examples. In a business deal, I thought we agreed on a price, but it seems like he's trying to pull a fast one by increasing it at the last minute. In everyday situations, she pretended to be sick to skip school. She really pulled a fast one on her parents. These examples show how pulling a fast one can be applied in various contexts, from informal personal interactions to more formal or business scenarios. When using pulling a fast one, it's important to remember that it often carries a light-hearted or mildly disapproving tone. It's perfect for situations where you want to express that someone's actions were cunning or deceitful without using harsh language. It's not typically used in very formal contexts but is great for casual conversations or storytelling. Understanding phrases like pulling a fast one can add richness and nuance to your English communication. It's a testament to the language's ability to capture human behavior in colorful, evocative terms. We hope this video has shed some light on this intriguing phrase, making your journey of English learning even more enjoyable. Keep exploring, and don't let anyone pull a fast one on you.